some tension. I would get it once in a blue, but now it's becoming like more frequent. 10-hour surgery day, on Thursday. So I'm like in this kyphotic position, my neck and everything was like stiff. So I have my kids like jump on my back when I get home. This is good.
This is going to be for both the cervical spine, but also the thoracic. You're going to feel my hand under your jaw. You're going to feel me lean back a little bit. You'll feel a little impulse at the end. Nice. And then you're going to turn just your head and you're going to look to your left. Nice. Nice. Whew. So your back will completely differently. And this is just a long axis distraction. Good. And that was a gentle one here. Good. All right. All the way out. Good. Excellent. There we go. There we go, face up for me. Nice, good. Good. Arms. Go back. Good, and let your head drop back. Good. Lay back. Lay back. Yeah.
I'm missing my arch. It's my medial arch.
Your medial arch.
I got like torsion tunnel.
That's not good.
Yeah. It might be coming from sciatic. I don't know. But I feel like my sciatica just went away.
Good. And then look back. There we go. Good. And I think it will open up a lot more. There we go. Like that one. There we go. This one will take a little bit more work, but it did good. Lift your head up though. Good. Ready to pull. And relax. Do that again, but real quick. There you go. Cool. There you go. Your shoulder. Okay. Good. Let your mid back relax a little bit. Bring the elbows together. Don't worry, you won't fall. And then look up. Nice.
I want my head resting back if possible.
Yeah.
Just because it helps my feet too. Because further back, then my center of gravity is not shifted forward, and my arches collapse. So lean once over here, and I had those orthogonal devices that adjusted me, and it helped a lot. And then I was like, wow, this is like amazing. It even took my foot pain away from my orthogonal adjustment. Parts, and I'm like, it has to do maybe with the head, the way it's sitting, I do reconstruction on the foot, I want to see how it affects, the rest of the body.
Hips, ankle. And then what we do is we print out a report like this. Okay, your head is so far forward, it results in extra amount of weight on your head.
Yeah, I felt my back over the winter, and it just got a little worse. I mean, I had a kind of a thing going on, but then it got worse.
What's the thing?
Some tension. I would get it once in a blue, but now it's becoming like more frequent. And then during surgery, I had like a 10-hour surgery day, on Thursday. So I'm like in this kyphotic position, my neck and everything was like stiff. So I have my kids like jump on my back when I get home. This is good.
Just match my pressure. Hold. Good. Hold. Watch your hands. Hold. See the difference? Hold. Hold. This side's a little bit stronger. But you see how different than we learned in school?
Yeah.
If you're really subtle, you're really checking the nerve response, not the muscle strength. Right? Good, let me have you go